Hi guys. So unfortunately I managed to delete the footage that I had of my snowflake design, so instead I'm just going to have to recreate it but show you on one of these swatch sticks. So I chose this really deep holographic blue as my base, and I'm then using a holographic glitter, and I'm going to start putting it from the cuticle down to about halfway. So next to do the snowflake designs, I'm using this image plate. I believe I got it from Born Pretty store. Now for each nail I just picked a random selection of different sizes and different shapes snowflakes, so just pick 3 of your choice and apply them to your nail. And that is your design completed.